Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, this is going to be a fun one. I am going to be doing this eye look using the BH Cosmetic 26 color shadow and blush palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, you are in the right place. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to just go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there along with the bell notification so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. That's every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, and every once in a while I throw in a Weird Wish Wednesday, so you don't want to miss out on those as well. So again, if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Alright guys, today we're going to try out the BH Cosmetics. This is their 26 color shadow and blush palette. So let's take a look at this. You do not have a mirror inside. But these are what the shadows, these are all the blushes across the top, and then the shadows are down below. And of course, none of my videos would be one of my videos without me going in and stabbing my nail into one of the colors before I even get to touch it with a eyeshadow brush. So I'm going to start off with, and by the way, they do have one of those removable plastic sheets that has the colors on that. So I'm going to start off with this color right here, which is simply, oh, I'm sorry, it just tells you if it's a matte or a shimmer. No, it doesn't say the names of the colors. So I'm going to go in with that color right there, which is a matte. I don't know that we need a little shade like that to tell us that. This kind of has more of a pinky tone to it, so we'll see how it looks all over the lid. All right, who's ready for 4th of July? Got big plans? Let me know what you're doing. My plans changed. The person that was supposed to come and watch my mom had something come up and they're not able to, and I have yet to be able to find anybody else at short notice who can come stay with her, so it looks like I will be sitting home for the whole 4th of July. Loads of fun. Okay, let's go with trying to find a good transition shade, and everything that's a matte one is kind of on the dark side. This one doesn't have too much of a shimmer. It says it's a soft shimmer, so I'm going to take that as my transition color. Yeah, that's fine. Very pigmented though. Actually, the more I think about it, it's probably a good thing that I will be home on 4th of July, because since last year we've got 2 other dogs and I have no idea how they're going to do with the fireworks going off. I want to make sure that they're safe and okay. I'm not going to tear up my house. That's probably the most important thing. Okay, got that mixed in. Now let's go into my crease. I think I'm going to go in with, it's a little weird to do pinks, but I'm going to take this tan shade there very lightly, tap a lot off, and just go into the crease. Had a great day yesterday, though. We went up with my father-in-law and some of our kids and their spouses and met some friends of ours up at this fun little restaurant up in Washougal, Washington. And it's literally a floating restaurant, so it floats straight on the water. So depending on how high the water level is, your walk down to the ramp, because you're going to go down the boat ramp, you know, can be anything like this to that. So unfortunately yesterday it was like that. But it's fun because you can watch all the boats going on the river and people, you know, water skiing and being pulled around on the little tubes and stuff. So it's kind of fun to watch some people wipe out really well. Bet there were some people who did really, really good. So it was a great time yesterday. Great food and big friends. Okay, now I'm going to take just a very defined, smaller brush, and I'm going to go in with this shade right there, just right on my V. Take a little bit of that brown away and start bringing some of the pink shades back in. Still getting ready for our camping trip too, figuring out what all we need. I think I'll take you out and show you a video of our tent because we currently have that set up in the backyard. And we're pretty anxious because this is an awesome system. Whoever figured this one out is brilliant, and I hope they're making a lot of money off the sales of these things.
Okay, this is our tent that we will be using for camping. Basically what it is you take your 10 by 10 canopy like so, and then this tent, which I got at Walmart for $70, just attaches to the inside frame of the canopy. So let's take a look inside. So you have a door here with a zipper. So the door opens up. This is the only place that you're going to need to duck down is to get inside the door. And then on the inside, you've got 3 windows that all zipper up, but they have a mesh on them to keep the bugs and stuff out. But they do zip up so you can have your privacy. So there's that one, and then this one. And then you have just a little pouch in the corner to put knickknacks in, and then another one over here. And then let's take a look at the top. I'm going to get in the corner here. So it goes up to the top, and if we zoom in, hopefully you can see there's a hook up there, so if you wanted to hang like a light or something from the center, you could do that. And then that's looking back at the door again. So nice and big. And I'm excited to go camping in it. Oh, and then our inflatable couch slash bed. I don't know what wall we're going to put it again. Probably against something like that. I don't know, maybe this that one might work better. So we'll have plenty of room to pull that out and still have room to walk around.
We also got the neatest air mattress to sleep on. It folds out to be a queen size air mattress, but then you can fold it out and it becomes a couch. And it's a couch that actually will seat 3 people across it, and then it's got cup holders and the armrests, and it's so comfortable. We blew it up one night. We were sitting on it for a while, just watching TV, and then we pulled it out, just laid on it for a while just to see how it would go, because we both have bad backs, so we don't want to be really uncomfortable. It was really, really comfortable. So we're excited to have that too. All right, I'm going to take, this pale pink right here and go on the inner part of my lid. This is not shimmery at all. I'm just going in with those shades. And then I'm going to take that same brush and I'm going to go into this darker pink right here and take that onto the rest of the lid. Just on the outer third. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, who has heard of cotton candy grapes? I had never heard of them before. My husband's boss said that we needed to find them and try them. And I am so addicted to them that I went through an entire bag by myself, and I'm halfway through a second bag by myself. I knew as soon as I tried one in the store, I was going to fall in love with them. So I bought 2 bags to begin with, gave one for my husband and one for me. And then I went back and I got 3 bags so my mother-in-law could try them, and another bag for him and another bag for me. So they are so yummy, and they're very, very short in the season, so you got to get them while you can, because once they're gone, they're gone. All right, I'm going to take that same pink shade that I just put on the outer part of my lid, and I'm going to take that underneath my eyes. I'm going to go into this dark one that's not a shimmer. Try that. Let me show you what shade I was just using. It was this, what was it? It was this one right there. Okay, let me wipe some of the extra eyeshadow off that I don't want on under my eyes. And I'm gonna go put some mascara on and some lipstick, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I am back, and here's the finished look with my mascara and lipstick on. For mascara today, I went in with the Essence. This is the Volume Stylist 18-Hour Lash Extension. Not to get confused with the Curl and Hold, this is the lash extension. And I went in with just a very, very light coating of that today because I don't need to have a lot of length added to my lashes. They're so long with my Care Post. And I bring that up because I get a lot of you who are asking about Care Post or how I get my lashes so long, or give me compliments on how pretty they are. I will tell you, I owe everything to this little bottle right here. I have a link always down in my description box on this. It's at Reliable RX is the name of the website. But that's where you can get Retin A, you can get this. They send you a little brush applicator to put it on. And you simply apply it along your lash line just once a night. You do it at nighttime right before you go to bed. And then when you get to the desired length that you want, you can go like every other day or maybe 2 to 3 times a week, just depending on what it is you want to do to maintain that length. I'm going to insert a picture right here showing what my lashes used to look like before I started using it. And I took some new photos today before I put mascara on, so I will include that as well so you can see. So that's just a little quick update for you as far as my lashes are going. All right, let's talk about this eyeshadow palette. I wish that they really had a better transition color. That one was a little dark for my taste, and I like the combination of them. I did go ahead and use some of this blush and a little bit of this blush. So I blended those two together to get this look today. And I really like these colors, and you can't beat the price on this. It's so inexpensive. Of course, BH Cosmetics is always inexpensive with their cosmetics. And every once in a while, I find really good sales going on their sites too. So and I'll have a link for this for you as well, along with everything else that I have on my face today, just so you'll know. So I enjoy this. I've enjoyed all of my palettes that I've ever purchased from them. I have another one right here. This is their Glam Reflection. So I'll be playing around with this one too. This is what it looks like. It does have a mirror in that one. Let's take that plastic off. So I'll be playing around with that one a little bit and seeing how these colors work out as well. Okay, that wraps everything up. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please take a moment and just hit that subscribe button down below, along with the bell notification. And give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you didn't enjoy the video. Please, just something that helps me out with YouTube. And if you have any comments, questions, anything like that, leave those down below as well. And until next time, I love you, and bye-bye.